Now, how can you log out of your mail from a MacBook? So let me cover everything. First of all, if you have a third-party application added from the App Store, something like a third-party mail provider, you can easily just delete that, of course. But there is also a quite high possibility that you are using the built-in Mail app from Apple. If this is the case, I want you to open up the application and navigate to the settings, but settings specifically to the Mail. You can get there by tapping on the Mail icon in the tab bar at the top, and then you can click on Settings. Then switch to the Accounts, and essentially you can select the account you want to remove or log out. So just select it and tap on the minus icon, and that's how you can remove it. On the other hand, there are some different settings inside of the actual System Settings app. So if you open up that instead of the Mail, then you can find the internet accounts on the main tab. And again, probably the same accounts will be here as well. So you can click on one and either disable the mail capabilities and let's say keep contacts or notes, but you can also just click on a delete account and it will be removed altogether. So that's kind of how it works. Pretty much these are the two main ways how you can do this. So let me know below in the comments if there is anything specific which doesn't work, or if you have some more questions, we can take a look at it, or perhaps I will make an updated video about it if there are some more things which I didn't cover. Anyways, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial in the future.